need to be
We've
absorbed.
left it on for 3 minutes.
It's actually, yes, now it's not so tacky, and
So,
it actually feels very smooth.
beautiful, beautiful.
Okay, so
And that's the rescue serum,
this is what I normally use.
which is your eye cream.
Yeah, my what's it called? It's an eye serum, I think, because it's clearish. I know, it's always sort of not. Isn't that funny? I used it for years and years, and I didn't even know why. I just do it.
And Caroline's poking it on her ring finger and just gently patting around her eyes. It's lovely, just on the bones of the eyes. Yep.
Yeah, I'm really used to this one. I like this one. I think
And this
really
is
makes
excellent
a
for
difference.
helping with fine lines and wrinkles. It's just joyous, and extra around her lips, which is ideal.
Yeah, that's my habit. Sorry.
Yeah, it's a very good one. It's a good one to do.
Just
Put it
whatever's
wherever.
left over.
Yep, very wise.
The lips go.
Very wise.
Suck it up. So
Gorgeous.
yeah, but I really like that. I've always used that. It's good for puffy and everything, I think.
Yeah, it is totally.
Okay.
And the
Next
next
to
one
the new one
is the postbiotic
moisturising,
soothing moisturising cream.
Okay, I've just got this big pump. So I'll just put it here. Probably only that much?
Yes.
Yep. I know with the others it's you don't need
Little goes a long way.
Yes.
How's that feeling?
Goes on easy. It's not greasy
light.
or very light.
This is hydrating the skin.
Yeah, it feels like it's going in quickly. So yeah, it feels like it's going in quickly.
And now the barrier balm. Caroline, this is the fourth one, which actually acts like a second skin, and it's really going to be helping with your natural biota on your skin, locking it in and acting like a second skin.
Thicker.
So great to apply at night and day.
I do everything to my neck, and even
Yeah,
right down to the
absolutely done there.
décolletage at night, especially because
Gorgeous.
It's good.
Fantastic.
How's it look?
Looks really gorgeous. Lean right in. Yeah, beautiful, Caroline.
Yeah.
So hydration and the barrier, think barrier, biome and beauty.
Yeah.
All of those work synergistically.
Yeah.
And
a little bit tingly. I don't know what that's about, but not unpleasant. But yeah.
beautiful. So the hydration and working on the deeper layers of the skin.
Yeah.
Mm.
Cool.
Beautiful.
Okay.
Thank you, Caroline.